Hello everyone and welcome all of you to this program named Creators Hub. Now my name is Dinesh and I'm going to be your host on this whole program. So what is this Creator Hub and what are we offering to you? Okay, so let's make it very simple. Okay, might be you are a creator, you are like somehow struggling with your YouTube career, or might be you are trying to be an Instagram influencer, or trying to make your ways on the online. Okay, online somehow you want to be influencer and go through some content strategy, might be some video strategy, might be you are just playing with some images. Although nowadays it's time that you need to play with short video. That's how everybody is working now. Although you might see that hey, this person is earning millions of dollars from this platform, that platform. Okay, now you have to understand what is fact, what is exception. Correct? Now what is fact and what is exception, how can you determine? Suppose you are driving a car. Okay, you know how to drive the car, but somehow you got it bumped with something, or you made some sort of accident. So this accident is kind of a exception. It's not a regular fact. Now why I am even giving you this example? Try to understand that one. Now try to understand the so-called influencers or the video creators nowadays, whoever are earning money, or might be they are showing off that they are earning money. That might be just like that accident that happens once in a lifetime, or might be once in a year kind of a thing, that sort of accident. Now why I'm like giving you this sort of a number? Because it's kind of a brutal. Everybody wants to be a creator, everybody wants to be a YouTuber, Instagram influencer, but whatever it is happening, it's not right like the way it is happening. Now be honest. Okay, be honest with your heart. Tell me, like, you might be struggling with YouTube, or might be you are struggling with Facebook or Meta, rather to say in total Facebook and Instagram. In Meta you are trying to earn money, but is it really happening? Are really influencers earning money? No. So how to do this thing? So to make it very simple, we have divided this thing into three parts. Part 1, that is called video creation. Now over here, whatever we do is we do help you out to understand what sort of video you need to create. Now sometime you might see there was a creator named Dhingchak Puja. Correct? You saw that how this potentiality that rises once for a while, although it was not stuck, because the main thing is about regularity. But kind of that thing is that lady, whoever played as Dhingchak Puja, she was not an idiot. She knew what to do and how to get viral, because she knew whatever the audience base are. Sometimes you might think, okay, I like it, okay, and I'm doing it, but try to like something and show your video talent on some sort of a thing wherever there are potentiality. In an example, if I say, some people they just make roast video, some people make tech video, some people are into news industry, some people are into financial or analytical kind of a thing. Now do you know there are different market? And why I'm telling it different market, I'm going to disclose it at the third part. But you have to understand like what is going to be the published like content, and whatever is the published content, based on that you are going to build an audience. And you have to understand that audience retention totally depending on however good your content is and how you can make it really better day by day. Part 1. Now on the part 2. Now what is in the part 2? Part 2 is displacement. Might be you are creating some sort of a content. Think, okay, this content is good, and really that is good, there is no doubt on that. But what is happening after making that content? You might realize, hey, I'm building this content, I'm doing each and everything is good, but there should be a displacement. Might be you build something, a content based on might be the Chandrayaan or the ISRO project, and because this is nowadays it's trendy. Now someone else also made the same video on that same topic, okay, and that person made the video getting influenced by yourself, but that person knew how to play with that. That person did all the SEO part, did write all the description, did the tag, meta description, everything, and put it on a kind of a good platform, and you just created a video and uploaded it after editing, but it's not working. But that person did not only stop there just putting all the description SEO. That person also share all this link towards the different social media and the displacement category wherever it fits. Means this person knew, like if I'm telling about ISRO, so most of the people who are educated and who are kind of interested about ISRO, these people are going to watch. But if you just give it to somewhere that is not necessary, so these people are not going to watch it. So that's how that second person is getting higher reach, and that happens. I'll also come and break it down however you can beat that. Now the third part, that's the most important, and I think 1 in every 100,000, means 1 in 1 lakh person understand it, and are actually, even after understanding, are being successful. Now what is that? Now you make a video and you think like you are going to earn all the money from YouTube ad monetization only. No, it's not the fact. There are various ways that you need to follow, you need to understand, and only after understanding that you are going to be able to earn quite 6 to 7 figure in a month by creating your content. And to be honest, you don't need to be posting a video regularly per day, but you can post a video in a week, and that also can give you that much of money, totally depending on whoever is your client, wherever it is getting displaced, and most of it, that is matter however you're monetizing it. Now monetizing means you don't have to depend on Meta or YouTube's ad policies, because you might be making some video that they can put it down, they might not get some sort of revenue modeling out of that, and like it's a ad revenue sharing platform. There are 2-3 ways that you can monetize your content. That is depending on, you have to be a dependency theory. You have to wait, hey, can you give me the money because I'm making content on your site. It's one of the worst idea that you can inherit. So whatever you have to do, you have to understand however this whole market works. And how does it happen? It happens via very simple facts, like you don't have to be dependent on whenever you are going to get qualified on that ad monetization policy on different platform, but you can make your own ad monetizations from the day one. So the easiest way is if you are getting a sponsorship. Yes, that's what all the platform do. They just get paid to showcase some sort of advertisement based on your content, and then they pay you. Okay, but what you can do, you can simultaneously contract the different publisher, different business people who are interested on some sort of a same category, whatever kind of category you are trying to put in the video. Okay, so if you are trying to do that, then you already know whoever is going to put money for the advertisement on this Meta or might be in YouTube, but you can actually break it down the whole thing, and you can write them or you can contact them, and you can get it done. Now we are Creators Hub. You understand however this 3 part is working. Now how we can help you out, that's the biggest question over here. Now that biggest question is, we are going to explain it in 3 different parts. Try to understand. I'm not going to give you the whole result and whole the rules, regulation, and the keyframe however you can get success, because we are over here to collaborate. Now the first part where I said you have to create your content. Now we are going to give you all the kind of topics every day based on your category. Might be you are going to do in a finance, you are going to do in fun or roasting, you are going to do in news segment, you are into tech, you might be in movie review, film review. So I want you to join into this community. We are going to give you some sort of activity things, and we will be giving you all this kind of active things that you can create your videos on, because we have a research team back in over there, and this research team is pretty big, pretty experienced, and they have been doing it successfully. You would not believe, like most of the successful people on this industry, they are actually the research team. So like we have got a research team whoever is going to give you content. And not only that, we are going to suggest you, hey, put this content online, don't say this thing and blah blah things. So it is come on like description or instruction, so you would understand whatever needs to follow, whatever don't need to follow. And once you can do that, actually your content quality, you can edit it, or even if you want, we can edit it, we can post it, we can create and do each and everything on the search engine optimization, on the tags, description. We can take care of each and everything. So your job would be, if you want us to do the video, we can make it happen, or else you just come in front of the video and we are going to take care of the rest. The second part is displacement. Suppose you are making good kind of a video or that thing, but marketing is the key frame. I to understand, if you are not being able to do the marketing, you are not really earning money. So what are we offering? We are offering you the exact displacement. We have data, and I can challenge you that data is no way less than the Facebook data. Okay, now why I am saying the Facebook data? Because Meta or Facebook has the biggest data base of entire this IT industry. They know whom to show, where to show, which place, which geological things you have to exclude or include, the age criteria, the gender criteria, their opinion. Now I would say we build that sort of a content things, so we know wherever your ads or things needs to be displaced. And if you go to do, there are 2-3 kind of marketing that we apply. There is text, then there is online community based, then there is WhatsApp, there is email marketing, there is in platform, out platform, then physical kind of a marketing. Might be it's going to be a hoarding, depending on wherever you want to. Might be you are doing it from Mumbai, so, or might be you are doing it from Kolkata, so we can create some sort of physical sort of activity or marketing campaign for you. It totally depends on the flexibility of the module you want for yourself. Okay, so it's on the part 2. Now as you know, and the most important thing, why you would choose us over Facebook or something, because I can assure you it is going to cost at least 5 times less than any platform in the market right now. And we are even offering you trial period for trial uses for this sort of activity, so you can judge by yourself, hey, should I really do it or not? Come and try it. Trial is available. Now part 3. Now what is this part 3? Now the part 3, that is the most important part. And what is that? The part 3 is whenever you are creating all this content, you are displacing, but the earning things, as I said earlier, we already have got the list of the companies, whoever can give you the offers, then whoever can give you all this monetization policies, brand endorsement, affiliation. We have list of these companies, and I can assure you, once you join in this community, once you're joining our paid plan, from the day one, I can assure you are going to get your contents monetized. And not only that, you are getting offered for the promotions of their brands, and they are going to they are ready to do collab with you or any content creator like you. So don't think it, okay? Just come, ask for a trial. We are over here. We are going to give you and show you whatever potentiality it can bring in real life, and obviously you are going to get the most of the profit. The profit in fame, the profit in money, the profit in a brand establishment. So yes, we are over here to create you as a brand. All the best. See ya.